In this video, we're going to go over the final keyword. Now, there are three ways to use the final keyword. You can put it in front of a class, you can put it in front of a method, and you can put it in front of a variable. In this video, we're going to discuss using it in a variable. So let's go ahead and type it in, and you guessed it, all you put in is the keyword final. And what this does is it basically says that when this variable field length gets initialized, this is the value, and that's it. You cannot change this value to anything else. Now let's just make an assumption that we were coding a game here, and specifically it's a football game, and we wanted the length of that field to be 100 yards. Now obviously it can't be any other number. We only want it at 100 yards. So it's something that will never change. So I can go ahead and mark this variable as final, and this value cannot be altered by a method later on. And so yeah, I just created this simple program just to show you the concept. You really only need to know the concept here at this point. So let's go ahead and run this, and of course we get 100. Now let's create a method and we'll try to alter this value. So let's go ahead and pretend for a minute we're going to create a set method to assign a new value to our field length variable. So we'll just type in what? Void set length, and we need of course our parenthesis, and then let's try to give this a value now, and we'll try to set this to 90 yards instead of 100. And there you see we get some IntelliSense, and it says cannot assign a value to final variable field length. So that proves my point. Once you put this keyword here, that is it. You can't use, actually this should be length, but that proves my point. Once you put this keyword here to final, this value cannot be changed by a method later on. Now, if we take this final keyword off, the IntelliSense goes away, and then we can go ahead and change the value of this variable if we want to, but we don't want it changed, so we're going to just remove this method. Okay, in the next few videos, we will talk about using the final keyword with classes and with methods. See you guys then.